Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Lychee, a photo management system, on Linux. To get started, launch a terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to install any available software updates. Then we use apt install to install a few prerequisite packages. Next, using apt install, we'll install the Apache HTTPD web server as well as the MySQL database engine. Then we'll install PHP and the required PHP components. We'll elevate to a root shell using sudo su, then execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a root MySQL password and mitigate known vulnerabilities. Next, we'll connect to MySQL using the command line utility. Then using SQL commands, we'll create a Lychee database as well as a Lychee service account with full permissions to the database. We'll flush privileges, then close the connection to MySQL and exit the root shell. Now using regular expression, we'll look up the download URL for the latest release of Lychee. Using wget, we'll download that release to the temp directory, then extract it to var www. We'll rename the extracted folder to just Lychee, removing any version numbers. Then set the owner to the www data group. Now we'll create an Apache site configuration and edit it in Nano. Copy the configuration from the video description and paste it in the file. Then save your changes and close out of Nano. We'll continue by enabling the Apache rewrite module, as well as our Lychee site configuration. Then we'll restart the Apache service for the changes to take effect. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host /Lychee. Click Next at the welcome screen, as well as the System Requirements check. Scroll to the bottom of the Permissions check and click Next. Edit the configuration in the browser, setting the app URL, as well as the app dir to /Lychee. Then using the video description as a guide, update the database connection parameters. Once you've finished the changes, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save, then Install. After the installation completes, click the Set Up Admin Account button. Enter a username, then enter and confirm a password. Then click the Create Admin Account button. And finally, click Open Lychee. Log in using the admin credentials you just created. Welcome to Lychee, running on your Linux device.